But this song is based on Isaiah 40 verse 4, which is repeated in Luke chapter 3. I couldn't find my English Bible one morning to have devotions. So I had to choose between the Spanish Bible, the French Bible, and the one book of Luke, which was all we had at the time in Jamaican language. And the Lord led me to use the book of Luke, and the words in Jamaican settled in my spirit so deeply that when I went out for my morning walk, this song came out, and it's track 11, my brother. Clear the way, may the Lord come true.
Everybody up or raise up, and every mountain I go mash down, and every road that we center, them are go straighten out. Everybody up or raise up, and every mountain I go mash down, and every road that we center, them are go straighten out. And everybody say glory, glory, glory. Come everybody sing glory, glory, glory to the Most High. Everybody sing glory, glory, glory to the Most High. Every valley shall be filled, and every mountain and hill shall be brought low. The rough places made smooth, and the crooked paths are paved. And the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all the flesh shall see it together. The mouth of the Lord is full. Clear the way, clear the way, clear the way, let the Lord come true. Clear the way, clear the way, clear the way, let the Lord come true. Everybody a go raise up, and every mountain a go mash down.